Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a company named IHAPER. This is a multi-charging cable, and on the back of it, it's called the model A001. It's 3.3 feet or 1 meter in length. Now what makes this cable unique, there's a couple different things, is that it is very durable in terms of the material. It could support 180 pounds of force, and you could bend it 1,000 times and it won't unbraid. It uses a nylon braided, very bulletproof material. This also will handle large amounts of current. I'm going to demonstrate that a little bit later. And it's USB 2.0, and it'll handle speeds at data rates of over 480 megabits or up to 480 megabits per second. This product comes with an 18-month warranty and customer service help in 12 hours or less. Now, what's unique is that it has a Lightning Apple connection that is MFI certified, and it'll work with your Apple devices including the latest Apple devices in 2018. It not only does it have a Lightning Apple connection, but it has a micro USB so that people that have older phones like myself can use it to charge and send data. And it has a USB Type-C connector on there for the newer type of USB data transfer cable. So this should work for your Apple devices and your Samsung phones and Android and smartphones also. And this MFI certification means that it'll be working with Apple Lightning products or any USB Type-C products, including the new 2018 iPad. So let's take a look at this and let's see what's inside the box here. And here's the cable wrapped up all nicely. Let's undo the wrap on here. Let's take a look at it. So one end, you can see, has the USB port on there, and I'm going to put that on a Motorola rapid charger that will put out 2.5 amps. And then on the other side of the cable, it has the 3 connections that I mentioned. And the first thing I noticed is this cable kind of looks like a small snake, and it kind of feels like a snake. Very durable and flexible, semi-rigid, but just feels extremely durable. I mean, I can pull on this and I don't feel any flex at all on it. So I'm pulling really hard and I don't feel any flex. It's obviously very durable. Now, if you look on this connector itself right here, here's the USB Type-C connection, looks like to me. And here is the Apple connection that I mentioned. This is the Lightning connection right there. And then if you pull on this right here, you have the micro USB connection right there. So I have a Nexus 6 phone right here, and let's just look at the orientation of that, and let's plug it into my phone right there, and it fits. And right away I can see the little charge indicator going right there. You can see right there it's got that little lightning bolt going on right there. So it's obviously charging and working. Now we're going to bring this to my computer upstairs, and we're going to see if we can transfer data from that cable. Now, one of the reasons why a cable like this that'll support that higher current that I mentioned, that 2.5 amps, is important is because when you have a quick charger like this, which uses software to send a large amount of current to your Apple phone, or to your Apple or your Android phone, you need a cable that will handle that current. Now, because this is 1 meter long, it has to be a special type of conductor inside there to handle that extra current. And that's what this cable has, so that your phone will charge and be able to utilize your quick charging capability of your charger. So right now I have the cable hooked up to my USB port on my computer, and it's going right to my cell phone, which is right here. And I can look at the data on my cell phone. For instance, I can look at this DCIM file, go to my camera. There's some video and some JPEG images right there, and allows me to see them, so it transfers data just fine. So what are my overall thoughts and feelings about the iHapper model number A001, the 1 meter long cable that has all the 3 connectors that you're going to ever need with USB 1 meter long. I like this cable. It feels very durable, and I tested it for data, tested it for charging, and my rapid charge function on my Android phone worked as expected. So I like this product. I think you're going to be impressed with it too, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. If you like this video, please hit the like button also. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.